We are standing in front of our new 2023 171 Rpod. This unit comes in at 19 feet and approximately 2,700 pounds dry weight, which means you can tow it with a 3,500 pound tow vehicle. This is a very unique floor plan. Let's step inside and check it out. Inside the 171, you're gonna notice this is one of our smaller floor plans. However, it feels very big on the inside. And this comes with our new Cosmic Graphite interior. It comes with the upgraded faucet, and it also comes with the oversized sink, the 2-burner cooktop, and the convection microwave. Finally, even though the 171 is a smaller floor plan, it's gonna come with our larger 5 cubic foot fridge. Now, the 171 is a little different than the other Rpods where it does have a wet bath, which means the shower and the toilet are all in the same room. We do that because of the size and to keep the weight down, which makes the 171 preferably towable for 3,500 pound tow customers. The 171 also has the shower miser, which allows you, if you're off the grid, to recirculate your water and allow it to warm up before you turn it on to waste it inside the shower. Finally, the 171 has the upgraded central vac that comes with the hose attachment. You will not see this in many other competitors, if any, and this is a very unique feature just for the Rpod. Thanks guys for checking out the 171 Rpod. As you can see, this is one of the best units for small, lightweight campers that want that 3,500 pound tow vehicle. If you want more details or information, check us out on forestriverinc.com/Rpod or check out your local Rpod dealer. Thanks guys.